welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name's Rosio. I have Leilani right next to me. But yeah, so in this video I will be showing you what I got at the Makeup Shack. There was a tent sale going on a week ago, I want to say. So it's a sale that they do every year, and they just have a lot of stuff off. I think like 70 or 60% off. I don't remember. But I went last year, and last year was really good. I got a lot of stuff last year, so I was really looking forward to this year. This year they really didn't have, sorry you guys, if it looked a little bit darker, it was because Leilani was standing right in front of the light, so it was blocking it. But like I was saying, this year they didn't have as much stuff as I imagined it to be like. But I'll still go ahead and show you what I got, because the only reason why I went was because I needed eyelashes. Some eyelashes I was really looking forward to, they weren't there this year, so that was a bummer. But let me show you what I did get. So the first thing is that I got were these Makeup Shack wipes. These are, I think, new. I've used some already, and they're very good. They're very big also. Fragrance free, and I think it does the job. And these were only going for $2 at the tent sale. I'm not sure how much the regular price is, but these were $2 at the tent sale they had. I grabbed a lash case. I grabbed this one because I always have my lashes laying around after I take them off. So the case is very cute. It's a matte black, and it holds up to 3 eyelashes. You can't see it, but yeah, this one is, I believe, $3 for this one. I did grab this translucent powder by RCMA. I've bought one before, and it's really good, but I bought it a long time ago, so I'm not sure if it still works. So I went ahead and picked another one up, but this one is very good. I liked it. And I also did pick up 2 of these LA Pro Matte foundation. I wore it once. It stayed on. It looks really nice. I got in this shade caramel, but it was too dark for my face. So if anybody is just probably a shade darker than me, if you guys want this, just let me know. It is dark, so if you're my shade color, then it won't go with your skin tone as well. It does look dark on the face, so that's the only thing. Got the wrong shade, but I really liked how it looked. This is only $2. Stop, Lonnie. I grabbed 2. So this one's brand new. The other one is opened, of course, because I tried it on, but it's too dark for me. And I did grab a lot of eyelashes. So the eyelashes weren't really on sale, I would say, because their regular price are $8.99, and these were $5 each. So the ones that I got, I think all of them that I got were $5 each, actually. So I bought 3 kind of different kind of brand styles. My favorite from the Makeup Shack are these ones in Dubai. So they're very pretty, they're very wispy, and they're a little bit separated, which I really like. The next one I bought is this one, Kehlani. They're very cute. They're different, okay? And then I bought this one.
I bought black tag.
Oh, and then we went to the outlets this week, and my mom bought her this little Kipling backpack. It's very cute. So we're just waiting for her to leave her diaper, and then she can start going to preschool. Right, Leilani?
Yes.
Because you pooped your diaper?
Yeah.
Because you're a dirty girl? But yeah, so I picked up, I think, let's see, 3 Kaylani, and I picked up 3 of these Onyx. I don't know how the hell to pronounce this, but I picked up 3 and 3. But I did go ahead and grab 5 of the Dubai, since these ones are my favorite. They were $5 each. So like I said, it's only what, like $4 of a difference. But I mean, I guess something is something.
Store.
And then they did have like a little spinning thing. Shh. They had a spinning thing. If you waste $60 or more, you got to spin and get a chance to win something. I did win this. This is their liquid eyeshadow. This is very pretty. This is in the color Desert Sand, and look at that, you guys. Very, very, very pretty. I feel this color is gonna look very nice. Actually, I should have put some a little bit, huh?
I don't want to say.
For the fall. But yeah, that's basically all I got. Like I said, you guys, if you think you're this color caramel, go ahead and leave me a comment down below if you want it or if you're interested in it. But I mean, I'm not gonna use it if it's too dark for me, so there's no need for me to keep it, and then it's gonna go bad. So yeah, that's basically all I got. Last year I feel like I got way more, and the eyelashes were cheaper. I think they were a little bit cheaper. The ones that I was looking forward to were the Bad and Bougie ones. Those were my favorite too, but they didn't have those this year, which I was very bummed. They had a Beauty Creation eyeshadow palette, but I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. I don't think I needed more, and especially I've never tried the Beauty Creation eyeshadow, so I didn't know how they worked. So I didn't grab that. They had well, they had mirrors. I should have gotten a mirror because my mirror is very messed up already. I had it for quite I have my mirror for like 5 years, so it's getting a little bit rusty. I got but I should have gotten a mirror. They were only going for $15. What else were they selling? I forgot
too.
But yeah, the sale, the sale started at 8 in the morning. I got there at 7:20, but they didn't start letting people like start shopping until 8:40 because they were running late, so they were barely setting up stuff. You guys, I'm 6 months pregnant. I was tired. I was about to leave, but I was like, no, I really need eyelashes, so I stayed. These are from the ones I got from Ulta. If you guys saw my Ulta haul last time, these are from the brand Kiss. So I am very looking forward to those for my new ones, the Dubai, but I didn't get the Bad and Bougie. Bad and Bougie are really good too, but they didn't have those.
Mom.
But yeah, you guys, that's basically all I got. Just keep an eye.
Mom.
Yes.
And a monkey.
You're a monkey. So just keep, if you guys don't follow them on Instagram, go ahead and follow them. So next year you guys could grab something. I went by myself. Last year I went with Brenda, my daughter, but she didn't want to come this time, so I was just standing alone by myself. Oh, you guys, fun story is that I don't know if this happens to everyone, TMI, but every time I drink coffee in the morning I have the shits. So I had an iced pumpkin spice latte that morning, and I was literally about to shit myself. I didn't know what to do. There was no bathrooms around there, so I really had to hold it in, you guys. And when I got here to my house, it was like either get to the toilet or you're gonna shit yourself and you're gonna have a poop accident. But yeah, just fun story. I know you guys don't want to hear that, but I can't drink coffee in the morning because I get the shits very, very bad. Alright, you guys, this is it for this video. I know it was a very quick video, but I just wanted to show you what I got in case you guys want to try it out next year. I think they have it every year in the orange location. But yeah, that's basically all I got. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye.